A little variant 9 handheld epilogue before I go to bed because I'm frustrated. Yeah, I know it's a contest, and I know I shouldn't have thrown in there that I'm running a 2-foot high-end fed. Hey, I didn't mention the words variant 9. Didn't scare the guy. You know what, man? Hey, man. He was calling CQ over and over again, man. Yeah, you heard him work a guy, but I sat here and heard him calling CQ over and over again, man. There's my logger. There's my key. And he had time to throw in there something. For example, 2 feet high, huh? No kidding. That's crazy. 73, old man. Or even, wow, that's crazy. 73. Or, wow, 2 feet? 73. And with that, it's bedtime. 73.